Fun Timers, it's me, Lily here. Today we're going to be playing freeze tag. We've already been playing like for 2 rounds just because I was very confused of how to play this game. Anyways, we're going to start. I hope I'm not against you. Okay, I'm going to choose speed this round.
Yeah, so wait, no, invisibility.
Is that? Oh, okay. I'm a tagger.
Same.
Oh my god! I see you. Stay still. Stay still. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Yeah. What? I thought I was a tagger, though. Oh.
Guys, that was a fail. Are you gonna run, mate? Oh, he's a fake.
No. I hate you. I like the flowers.
I like the daffodils. I like the mountains. I like the rolling hills. That did not take long. That actually did not take long.
I like the flowers.
I like the daffodils. I like the mountains. I like the rolling hills. I like the firelight when I love singing a doo wop a doo wop a doo wop a doo, singing a doo wop a doo wop a doo. Doo wop a doo wop a doo wop a doo. I like the daffodils. I like the mountains. I like the rolling hills. Okay, let's just stop. The viewers are probably cringing so hard. Okay, I'm gonna choose invisibility.
I chose speed because that Invis 13 did not work.
So I like the mountains.
What
I
are you?
like the rolling hills. Runner.
Same.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Where are you?
Near this cottage thingies where there's a tagger. As y'all know, I like going to the places where there are the most taggers. Because then I can... Oh, no. What the hell was that language? I'm getting ready to turn invisible. Because I'm so scared. I like the mountains,
I like the fireside when the lights are low.
Okay, there's another icy girl following me around. Because she's a noob.
Hello, actually, I don't even know where you are, though.
Frick! Obviously, that noob didn't come to save me. And it's the noob that we saved every other round. Oh my god, yes. No. I hate you too.
Please don't. I hate you more than you hate me.
Everybody hates you, Michaela. Even the
No, everyone
viewers.
hates you.
Ooh. I'm just trying to get some cool stuff out of the crates.
I haven't got any cool stuff yet.
Okay, let's open the rare crate.
I like the daffodils.
I like the mountains.
I like the rolling hills.
I like the fireflies.
When the lights are low.
Singing a doo wop a doo.
What are you?
Runner.
So,
Runners suck.
oh, I see you. No, I see you. Lily. Hi.
Hi.
Jump.
I don't know where you are. I've lost you.
I'm somewhere in the game.
That that would make sense.
Yeah.
No, it wouldn't make sense. Never mind, I see a tagger. Okay. At least they went away from the frozen person. I can save them, I think. You're the one who kills me all the time, but there you go. Oh my god. Nobody is saving each other. We're literally saving everybody. You know what? Just don't save the noob that we've saved literally every single round. Just don't.
You gotta be joking.
What?
Lil. I need help.
Where are you?
I am where we started. Thank you.
Oh god. Girl, I'm frozen.
Oh my god, no, no.
Go, 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 go.
Oh my god, my beak's surrounded. Gotta go fast.
I'm gonna go fast. Oh my god, no, they're literally right behind me. They're right behind me. They're literally, no, they got me. They got me.
Oh god. No! They got me as well.
But now they can't get up the stairs. Because I'm blocking the stairs. Well, the ladder, I guess. Is the girl that I saved gonna save me or not? She went straight past me.
Oh my god, no! Well, I'm just better.
I just we still got money.
Tigers always win. It's boring.
How do the runners win anyway? Just by surviving, I guess? Not getting frozen?
Hello.
Yeah?
What's 10 plus 10?
10.
21.
Oh. God, I'm so stupid.
I like the flowers.
I like the daffodils. I like the mountains. I like the rolling hills. I like the firelight when the nights are up. Doos you up, but doos you up. Okay, guys, if you're watching this, you need to get used to that.
Yeah.
If you're new to our channel, you must like and subscribe.
Lil, what are you?
Runner.
Jay.
I don't trust you anymore because of what you did.
No, I'm not joking. I am actually a runner.
Ahem. Oh, forget it. Do
Oh, hell no.
you know what I'm talking about? It's a whole city of taggers. I'm just gonna stand back. Like far back. Oh god. That dude scared me.
Okay. Gotta go fast.
Okay, I'm gonna go onto the roof. I like the flowers. I like the daffodils. I like the mountains.
I'm literally saving everyone right now.
I want to save this one girl, but they're like camping her.
You gotta be joking.
Did you just...
I'm at the deep depths of the goddamn mountain as well.
Okay, I got it. I'll come and try to get you. Because I see your label. How do you get down?
Find a hole in the country area where the grass.
Oh, God. I was going to try and save you. Then I froze.
Yeah. Be a tanker. I'm definitely gonna be a tanker.
I don't mind being a tagger, to be honest. It's quite fun.
I like the flowers.
I like the daffodils. I like the mountains.
I like the rolling hills.
I like the fireflies.
When the lights are low.
Sing a doos you up.
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 Oh wait, is this cream or is this conditioner that I just put on my hand? ASMR was clean on my hands.
I like the daffodils.
No, that's definitely.
Want to die? No, not yet.
Oh, I was AFK and this girl freed me and I got stuck again.
If I die, I will blame Lily.
Oh well.
Wow. I was literally under a mountain for 1 minute.
I would have helped you, but the thing is, somebody freed me, and then and since somebody was camping, I then got caught, and I died. Oh, I got an epic crate. I have no idea what I just got. Skip. Why do I have to get that? That's ugly. Rare crate. Skip. Oh, that's ugly. That's hella ugly. Just skip. Okay, just skip. Okay, what's your boost? I'm going, speed. Like always. Tiger!
Runner!
I would have said runner, but then I realised that you might have been runner, so I was like, nah. Bruh. I'm gonna kind of camp, but at the same time I'm not gonna camp. That's right, run boy. Is you gonna help me camp? No?
No.
Okay. Not you. The stranger that can't even hear me.
Ah.
We're just all killing and camping. That's what we're doing.
Bro, I'm just camping this one area.
Most of the noobs here don't realise that if you're staying in one spot and all the other taggers are there, nobody else is gonna go there. Dumbbells. Do you see the spot where most of the people are frozen?
Yeah.
That's where I was. I was there at like 5 seconds into the start.
When you're getting chased, but then this person's an accident.
When you're trying to go around people, but then you keep losing health because you're going near frozen runners.
No! No!
No, I fell!
No, 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 no. Oh, shut up.
Oh, I'm just gonna go to where there are literally like 1 trillion crates. Oh, I see you. I see you. Oh, I see you. Yes, I do.
How do you see me?
Not you. Stranger.
Ah.
He just shouted, what? $210. Okay, guys, like this video if you think I'm a pro.
I got 2,225 bucks.
I don't care. What?
I don't care how much you got either.
Well, actually, I just purchased like 6 trillion crates.
Do I look like I give a care?
She says that a lot, guys. A lot, and I mean a lot. A lot. What did I say?
Now you just
So
okay.
creepy.
My life's lower.
Same. I'm doing speed.
Jen,
Tiger.
what are you?
Tiger.
Runner.
See, you're getting the opposite things.
I have found something called Camper City.
I see you. Runner. I see you. Bruh, he ran into me.
Oh,
Hello.
hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
I want to get
Hello.
you, but I can't.
No! 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 Don't you dare. No!
Run, boy.